Hey everyone, a less expensive variant of MinisForum's MS-01 mini PC has been released. It now has an Intel Core i5 CPU, specifically the Intel Core i5-12600H, as opposed to the more potent Intel Core i9 processors found in the prior edition. Even in comparison to its Core i9 contemporaries, the upgraded MS-01 maintains a strong performance level for a range of workloads. Benchmarks from the past comparing Core i7 and Core i9 models have only slightly improved performance, indicating that the Core i5-12600H should continue to offer strong capabilities. Nevertheless, there are currently no benchmark results that directly compare the Core i5-12600H and the Core i9 models for the MS-01 mini PC. The Core i9-12900H or Core i9-13900H were the Intel Core i9 CPUs that were included in the first MS-01, which was released in December 2023. Since then, AMD-powered variants have been released by MinisForum, along with a number of additional models. The price of the MS-01 mini PC has dropped dramatically with the release of the Core i5-12600H model. The MS-01 used to start at about $580 for the base model, and go up to $870 for more advanced setups. On Amazon, the updated model with the Core i5-12600H is priced starting at roughly $450. It costs $399 for the base model, and $589 for a variant, with 32 gigs of RAM and 1 TB of storage, when bought straight from MinisForum. A more affordable version of MS-01 has been released, making it more widely available to a wider range of consumers, while preserving the fundamental performance attributes of the original model. Although it is unclear how the market will react to this less expensive mini PC, consumers searching for a cost-performance balance are probably going to be drawn to it. Therefore, the business made a wise decision in offering the MS-01 with the Intel Core i5-12600H to satisfy consumers on a budget, while still providing a functional and adaptable mini PC. It is a formidable competitor in the mini PC industry because it effectively balances price and performance. Consider the new MS-01 if you're searching for a low-cost, little PC with decent performance that doesn't sacrifice much. Thank you for watching this video. What do you think about the new mini PC? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.